This video shows how to make a strawberry banana pomegranate soda and a strawberry banana pomegranate gelee using fresh fruit, an immersion circulator, and a soda siphon. To make a strawberry banana pomegranate soda syrup, remove the seeds from a fresh pomegranate and add 50 grams to a food saver or Ziploc style bag. Then add 100 grams of a ripe banana, 100 grams of sliced strawberries, 60 grams of honey, and the juice of a lemon. Seal the bag and cook the juice into a syrup using a water bath heated to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then transfer to an ice bath to cool and store the sealed bag in the refrigerator overnight to allow the flavors to develop together. Then strain through a fine mesh sieve and measure an ounce or 30 milliliter shot of syrup and pour it over the ice and mix in 90 milliliters of soda water, which is a 3-to-1 soda water to syrup ratio, or to taste. Stored in the refrigerator, the syrup will keep for about a week. To make a gelee from the syrup, first bloom a sheet of gelatin in a bowl of cold water. Then measure 30 milliliters of syrup, or a 1-ounce shot, into a 4-ounce mason jar and place it in a shallow pot with water hot enough to melt the gelatin. Then add boiling hot water over the syrup to just below the rim, and when the gelatin is soft, squeeze out the excess water and mix it into the syrup until the gelatin is dissolved, which is when the mixture reaches a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then transfer the jar to the refrigerator to set the gelatin for at least 2 hours, but longer is better. The gelee is fun eaten directly out of the jar, but you can release the jelly onto a plate shortly after the jar is dipped into hot water. Then for a plated presentation, top with pineapple and pomegranate molasses and add a slice of banana and a strawberry for a fresh fruit crunch.